What does advanced mean? Boost your IELTS vocabulary. Imagine you're browsing job listings and come across a position requiring advanced computer skills. What exactly does advanced mean in this context? Today, we're going to explore the word advanced to help boost your IELTS vocabulary. Word type. Advanced is primarily used as an adjective, but it can also function as a verb in certain contexts. Meaning, as an adjective, advanced means highly developed, complex, or at a higher level than others. It often describes something that is ahead in progress or far along in development. When used as a verb, it means to move forward or make progress. Word history. The word advanced comes from the Old French word avancer, which means to move forward. It entered the English language in the 13th century. Antonyms. Some opposites of advanced include basic, elementary, simple, and beginner. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to advanced are sophisticated, cutting edge, high level, and state of the art. Examples used in sentences. She took an advanced course in mathematics to prepare for university. The company uses advanced technology to improve its manufacturing process. The doctor recommended an advanced treatment for the rare disease. As a verb, the army advanced slowly through the difficult terrain. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing advanced with advanced. Remember, advanced is usually an adjective, while advanced is typically a noun or verb. For example, you would say the scientist made an advance in cancer research, not the scientist made an advance in cancer research. Another error is using advanced when a simpler word would suffice. In everyday conversation, it's often better to use words like high level or complex instead of advanced to sound more natural. To wrap up, advanced is a versatile word that describes things at a high level of development or complexity. It's commonly used in educational and technological contexts. Practice using advanced in your own sentences to become more comfortable with it. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is an advanced strategy for improving your IELTS score.